Happy holidays, CCU. I'm Reverend Maggie Alderman.
And I'm Reverend Don Barton, and we're here to invite you to something new at CCU Orlando. This year, we're having a Blue Christmas service. On December 18th, we'd like to invite you to join us in the sanctuary or join us online from the privacy of your own home if you're looking for something a little bit different to help you get through this holiday season.
The holidays are filled with over-the-top joy and celebration, all the fa-la-la-la-la you can handle. But there is a point to taking a moment and becoming introspective during this season, recognizing all of the changes we've been asked to embrace and some of the losses that we have collected along the way. This service is intended to set the stage for you to be introspective, reflective, and meditative. We're sure to have wonderful music, and the best part is we get to celebrate and nurture this Christ presence within together. So we hope we'll see you at 7 o'clock in the sanctuary or online. Happy holidays.